Hi guys, my name is Marcus, and I literally hate shoes that are too clean. I always feel like everyone is looking at me and thinking, I want to be the center of attention at all costs. Do you see this? That's exactly what I'm talking about. This is suede, very high maintenance. And the surface, it's literally a magnet for dust and dirty water. Literally everything leaves marks on it. If you're in a similar situation, in today's video, I'll show you what you can do about it. We'll take it step by step, and the result will be shoes that will stand out in a crowd, and no one will think you're some kind of cleanliness freak. Just follow a few simple steps. First, remove the clean laces. Then, you need to get rid of the bold color. It attracts a lot of attention. I'll suck it out of the shoe with this spray. You need to do it everywhere, on the entire shoe. See how well this works? This way, the shoe becomes much more discreet. Now I'm going to put some of this white powder on the shoe and brush it into the leather really well. Then you need to get rid of that ugly hairiness. The more the suede fibers are dead, the harder it will be for dust to settle in them. I'll use this eraser. Now, we need to get rid of that flashy decoration. That shouldn't be on the shoe at all. Now you need to really wet the skin to make it a little stiffer and suck out the excess nutrition from it to make it look a little drier. Now you can almost see the result of your work. I'll just take off my gloves. As you can see, it's a lot of work, but I swear the result is worth it. There are two last little things left. I'll take the shoe trees out of the shoe to make those nice ripples on the leather, and then put on the dirty laces. Maybe I'll even tie a knot on them. And here is the result. A beautiful, comfortable shoe that looks inconspicuous, will blend in nicely with the crowd, and you won't embarrass your colleagues in them. Plus, you'll save a lot of maintenance work. What do you think? Was it worth the effort? I see such shoes around me regularly. What a joy.